posing.
I know, as soon as the video camera comes out, it stops.
Zach,
Is it okay?
where'd Zach go?
Oh,
There you are.
Yeah, drink the milk?
Yes.
Okay.
No, it's not for you. Oh.
would you like a watermelon, Cam?
Where'd Zach go?
Are you gonna eat your cucumber slices?
You gonna hide?
Hmm? Are you gonna eat these cucumber slices or can Grandma
Does
have
anyone
them?
like some mango salad?
Peekaboo.
Can Grandma have them?
Peekaboo.
Use your plate?
I'll split. You have the other half?
Peekaboo.
Okay, thank you. I'm just gonna, I
Good.
know.
Hey! Peekaboo! Where'd Zach go?
I'm sorry, I asked you. Here, there's your cucumber. Grandma